You asked, what do I need to know about ceiling fans?
Ceiling fans are actually a great invention, and I would suggest that from an electricity consumption point of view, obviously a ceiling fan will need quite a bit less electricity than an air conditioning system. Temperatures around, in the late spring, early summer, and in the late summer, where to have comfort in a house, a ceiling fan is perfectly well equipped to deliver that, and you don't actually need necessarily to turn the aircon on. So I recommend if you build a new home or even in your existing home, maybe look at retrofitting some ceiling fan to be able to have in living rooms and maybe in some bedrooms a level of comfort without having to resort to the more expensive air conditioning. Now, of course, if you put a huge solar system on your house, you probably can say, well, look, I run the air conditioning guilt-free on the solar, and in those cases, maybe a ceiling fan isn't even required. But should you decide that the ceiling fan is the right item to purchase, maybe even for an outdoor area even, then the things to look for is the length of the blades, because obviously the longer the blade, the more air volume it will disperse. The second one is also the speed at which you can turn the fan. I would look at that, and obviously the ability to adjust the fan to different speeds. And one that is quite important that a lot of people don't consider, but when you bought the fan, you wish you would have looked at it, is the noise level that the fan will disperse. Now, most of these things are on the package of the ceiling fans. So I would look at energy consumption, the ability of how many cubic meters of air that fan can dispose and distribute, and also the noise level. Now, ceiling fans are not really a do-it-yourself kind of item, because if you do not balance the blades perfectly, then actually those fans can wobble and make even more noise.
My circuits are unbalanced.
So we recommend, if you do go for a purchase of a ceiling fan, you definitely get an expert, an electrician, a person that does maybe even specialize in ceiling fans, get them involved in the installation. I would not recommend for that particular product to do it yourself.
Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.